हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, शुरू हो रहा है। नंदी हिल्स रॉक्स।
यस। गुलाबो
सही है, खुद का भी ले लो थोड़ा। मत
का भी ले ले।
Amazing beauty.
Okay guys, let's everybody talk about what he felt today. Today morning. Starting from the first guy, next to the camera. Next to the camera.
Utpal, bol.
Such an awesome experience, and also the drive was very good. Thanks to the Prashant. चलो गौरव तुम्हारा.
We really missed desperately. क्या? किसको?
तोमर साहब.
बहुत दुख है, हम तोमर साहब को छोड़ के आए भैया. पत्थर कट के आए हृदय में भाई लोग. गौरव.
It was a great experience. First sunrise. Dada, over to Dada. Alright, take my video also. I don't want just my voice. I want myself also. Hi guys.
Can you tell me about what was in your mind when you were driving on 120 in the morning?
Well, actually, I wanted to make it 140.
140, but
that was the only thing in my mind. But unfortunately, due to the constraints of the road, because there was no proper light on
somehow God managed.
And moreover,
we survived.
Because with WagonR, you are almost on the extreme when you cross 100. You are already on 120. Although it's not a fact that I don't take it to 140.
It was vibrating too.
Had it been day. And right now, to tell you, an amazing fact. Although it is not amazing, it's not a rocket
Most
science.
of the drivers knows
we are
it.
moving on 60 plus
without any gear.
And it's in neutral. Although I have kept my engine open, rather. Just because if you need to take gear or brake, you are more safe. That is a thumb rule of the driving. So, so I'm just enjoying this bit. I'm enjoying driving on these curvaceous roads.
And you like curves also.
And I love curves.
Yeah.
It doesn't remain on to likeliness.
And how about the Chinkies?
And Gaurav rather knows better because he experienced, Chinky's physical presence with more close quarters.
Chinky was great actually. Chinky rocks! Papio! ये लड़का जो मोहब्बत में मारा हुआ है, देखिए आप इसे. कह रहा था कि लव करो बट कमिटमेंट मत करो. बताओ साला बिना कमिटमेंट के क्या लव.
So guys, to take you to the views, to the sceneries of Nandi Hill and way back to Bangalore.
This is
awesome. We are right now, it's 9:45 in the morning.
And the wind is...
We were there correct at 5:45, so it has been 4 hours since we have been on Nandi Hills. We started our journey.
Coming by bicycle. See the spirit, man.
Yes. Yo!
And this is our international flag with our
there are a lot of gaddas and
one more monkey.
And Anand Krishna is doing the commentary there for his girlfriend also. I don't know his girlfriend or somebody from the family. But
no, इतने प्यार से वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर सकता है.
नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ?
प्रॉब्लम भी है, गर्लफ्रेंड ही है.
Because there is fight also. There is definitely his wifey to be.
Wifey to be, yeah. So the better word is wifey to be, okay.
Yes. You can take to be also, off it.
Off it. No, but as of now, because
formal verification
rituals are not...
has gone back to his, the basic boring facts.
And, so, what is your comment? You were saying that love karo but commitment na karo.
Yes, that's the noble comment. So, I want to get more into details of this.
पहले मैं तहे दिल से
उत्पल जैसे आप एक बैचलर को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? शुभजीत जो कि क्लेम करता है he's a bachelor, I don't know. Sweet Bengali, he's a cute Bengali. He's a cute Bengali, and as per Utpal, Bengali girls always starts. So I doubt that he is virgin.
Yes.
I doubt.
And actually, moreover, what I have heard is Bengali beauty. Bengali beauty is...
I don't at all agree.
Yeah, even I don't agree.
Virgin.
और people...
Oh man!
अभी नहीं यार लौटने हैं.
I think हम ज़्यादा हैं. वो कम है.
देखिए आप
And oh, these are beauties. I think they are wives of these guys. So
Vibes of Mal,
comment on that.
But okay,
But 5 guys, one wife.
Yeah, there are no 5, no 1.
no one.
There are 2 and 2.
And this is an old.
And this is all. Oh, you can have a
No, you please, carry on.
There's no
We have enough views.
guys are already frustrated and out of energy.
We are.
And nobody's saluting the spirit of adventure,
And,
of the athleticism, Although I'm not running, I'm not a sprinter here. I'm just driving the Wagoner. But we are almost downstairs.
Oh, okay. What was it? It was monolithic.
No, it was not monolithic.
No. That's Stony Mountain. What was written there?
Yes. No.
No, nymphomaniac.
Alright guys, you see the nymphomaniac and vultures all around you.
So
I
that
would like to remind Gaurav is engaged. Gaurav, अपना engagement ring दिखा दो भाई, तुम engage हो चुके हो मेरे भाई.
Yes, I am engaged.
Oh yes, you can see it from bit from far.
It's the wrong. It's in the wrong finger, and it's.
And so far,
Because-
covering these almost 8 kilometers, hardly 10 meters we have.
Vector.
For the first time, we'll be coming onto the gear.
उतना नहीं. Gaurav, done कर दो मेरे भाई.
Done कर दूँ.
बंद कर दो, काफी हो गया.
Okay, done.